Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking out today's video. Today I have a nice, easy, and affordable mod for you guys. This is my 2022 WRX and it came factory as a premium with LED headlights, LED fog lights, and LED interior dome lights and everything. But unfortunately we still got halogen tag lights and they are pretty dim, they're kind of ugly, and they don't look right on the back of the car. So today we're going to be replacing that with some full replacements. These aren't bulbs, these are actually full replacement LED circuit boards basically that replace the entire housing and everything. So I'll get you an idea of what they look like. These cost me around $12 shipped to my doorstep on eBay. So they were $11.99 with free shipping, so 12 bucks. And I think they're going to make a really big difference. They're very easy to install. There's no bulb. You just pop out your old one and install this. So this right here is the replacement. You can see it's a full replacement. It's going to replace the entire housing and everything. And it should be pretty simple to get to it. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. And I know my car is completely filthy, and that's all right. I'm going to take it to wash it today. But we're going to start by popping our trunk. What we're going to have to do is remove this trunk liner on the inside. You don't have to do anything on the outside just yet, so just ignore that. We're going to just pop off all these pop clips on the inside of the trunk so that we can get to the inside and get to everything that we need. All right. Once we have that panel removed, you're going to be able to see these two little studs coming down with an 8mm nut on them. We can go ahead and remove the 8mm nut off of both of those. Careful not to drop this into your trunk because you'll have a hard time getting it out down into the skin of the trunk. I've done that before on my last WRX, and I had to take the trunk off the car and have somebody help me shake it and move it around and try and get it out. It was not fun. After we have those two out of the center, you're going to see an 8mm bolt on either side of the trunk here. We'll remove both of those. Okay, so here comes the scary part, but I promise you it's going to be fine. What we need to do now is actually pop this panel off the trunk. So we're going to just start on one side. Now be careful when you get to the center because we have our trunk pop mechanism. So there we go. We're going to use that again to pop the trunk. Now, I am going to just carefully set this down on my license plate like so. And then I'm going to just gently lift up the trunk so that that doesn't move. Now on the inside, we can twist out our bulbs. And there will be a black plastic tab right here that we're going to push in and up. And that is going to remove our factory housings. Okay, so now grab your new light. Make sure that we have this foam gasket there. We want to make sure that it's weatherproof. So there you can see the old one versus the new one. And so what we want to do before I actually install this way, this is the direction that it's going to be installed in. And what you want to do is actually slide this end down first, kind of get it into the groove, and then push down on where this clip is. And you might be able to see that as I'm doing it, hopefully, but we're just sliding that in, locking that groove in. So there it is. You can see it's clipped in. It's not going anywhere. I didn't really get like an audible click, but it is definitely in there. It's not going anywhere. I kind of felt it when it did finally click into place. So the reason these are actually so hard to clip in is probably because of that gasket, that foam gasket, because it is a lot thicker than the OEM one. So it's definitely requiring a little bit more force to get these in, but at least you know they'll be nice and waterproof. Once you have those clipped into place, you can just simply pull out your factory bulb and plug this into where the bulb went in. Simple as that. So of course I'll show you a nighttime before and after, but just here in the daytime, there is the halogen and there is the LED. So as you can probably see, we have a lot of extra slack now, which isn't really a big deal. All we have to do is just kind of secure this. What I'm going to do is just hit it with the old zip tie. So there we can see it's not going anywhere. Trim off the extra zip tie. We're all set. Now that I have both of those zip tied and secured, I'm going to gently pull my trunk down, line my trunk piece back up, and snap it back into place. Okay, so there we go. The LEDs are installed. Now we can put in our 8mm nuts and bolts. Careful not to over tighten these 8mm nuts because they will strip out on you. Okay, just double check that your trunk functions as normal. Everything still works, everything still looks good, nothing came unplugged, and we're all set. Well guys, that's it for today's install. I hope you enjoyed. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting a set like this for yourself. If for some reason that link doesn't work or they're not available anymore, you can literally just go into eBay or Amazon and type in Subaru LED tag light. They're probably going to pop up because these are pretty much a carryover from all the Subarus. So 15 plus WRX, the Crosstrek, and Impreza, they pretty much all use the same one, so you should be good to go. But that's it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.